Work from home, permanent work from home. You have to work only 3 months in the office. Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope you all are well. So again, hiring is here for Indore location, and what's the location and what's the company. So everything I will share with you guys. So first of all, let's start the video. So hiring is for Teleperformance Indore, and in which process? So process is Byram process. I know that you all are guys waiting for the Byram process, and I was also waiting for Byram process, but currently I'm working in Connect Business Solution, and I thought that I have to complete 1 year in Connect in Myntra voice process. So because I don't think so 9 to 10 months is sufficient to give the interview in any company and to crack the interview. Okay, so it will be better for me if I complete 1 year in Connect. Okay, so then I will switch, and I'll think to switch because this is work from home. So Byram is also work from home, and all the details I'll share with you guys. So don't skip this video. Without skip, keep watching it, and all the details will be available in this video. And if anything is missing, then you can comment below, and I will help you regarding this concern also. Currently Teleperformance is hiring for Byram process, and what's the qualification? So I want to let you know that qualification is only 12th pass. You can apply if you are 12th pass. Okay, and location is also I will let you know, but before that I have to share some more details with you guys. Only 12th pass is required in this process, and this is an international process. This is not an domestic process. I want to let you know that freshers and experience both can apply in this process. First of all, your English communication should have great. Also there is many factors can matter, like your salary could be 19k to 25k also, 19,000 CTC to 25,000 CTC also, and there is a lots of PMI and incentives available in this process. So I thought this is a great opportunity for you guys. You have to join this process, and you all know that this is an international process. So most of the cases in international process, only 5 days working is available. You know, everything is perfect in this process. And one more thing guys, that only you have to work 3 months in the office. After that they will provide you work from home, permanent work from home. You have to work only 3 months in the office. This is also a great news for you. So before I am going to share some more details with you guys, one more thing I have to clear with you. If you are preparing for Amazon VCS, or if you are looking to job in Amazon, so you can apply. Link you can check it out below. And if you want Amazon materials, and if you want all the question and answers of Amazon assessment, then you can message me on Telegram, Devendra Nagar 01. Price is only 499 rupees, and 100% guarantee to clear this assessment. You can take refund also if anything is missing in from my materials. And one more thing I have to clear with you guys, that this is not a chat and this is not a voice process. This is a documented process, and also you have to contact with some customers, like not the all time, like 1 to 2 calls in a day. So this is a document process. So maybe for verifying the documents, I don't know all the process, but and this is a great opportunity for you. So where you can give the interview. So this is for Teleperformance Indore. Teleperformance Indore is hiring for Byram process. You have to go Teleperformance in Indore. What is the location? So location is in sector 78 in Brilliant Sapphire building. Below that you can check Teleperformance, and in Vijayanagar, Indore 452010 is the pin code, and all the location is available in the description. You can check it out, and I hope this details is really helpful for you. So my request to you guys, that the previous video is also not get much views, so I am totally disappointing. So I think I have to quit YouTube. So if you guys want that I need to continue in YouTube, so please share this video. Please share this video in your Instagram story and your WhatsApp status, and please mention me on Instagram also. I will re-mention you guys, and please comment as much as you can, and subscribe the video if you did not subscribe. And also a more series is coming for regarding the Indore jobs and Indore interview preparation, because I also want to prepare for this company. So what I will prepare and what I have to prepare, everything I will share in some next videos, because I am preparing and I am making some things which I can share with you guys also. So that's all for this video. I hope you all like this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.